And then we're going to make our adjustable strap. So let me finish this one, then I'll get back to you. Okay, there you go guys. So now let's make our strap. Count your stitches from your changing color here. Make at least 5 stitches each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put your stitch marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then stitch marker. So now get your yarn, insert it on where you put your stitch marker, and then grab a yarn. Okay, chain 1 and then slip stitch on the next stitch. There. Okay, so now make a chain. Make a long chain, long enough to make our adjustable strap. To make a crisscross here at the back. Okay. Okay, there you go. I made 225 chains, so additional 1 chain, so 226. And then let's make single crochet in each stitches. Okay, starting from the second chain on your hook. But I will put my single crochet at the back bump. Okay. I like to put my single crochet always in the back bump because it looks better that way. Okay, just continue doing your single crochet, inserting them on the back bump only here. Okay. So let me finish this one, then I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay guys, after making the last single crochet here, slip stitch on the next stitch. Okay, if you remember, we insert our hook here, then we slip stitch on the next stitch. So now we're going to slip stitch in here. Okay, there. Okay, so you may now cut your yarn. And then weave this one. Okay, so in the next strap, we're going to insert it after the stitch marker here. Okay, there, and then we're going to slip stitch in here, chain 1, then slip stitch on the next stitch. Okay, then repeat what we did in this one, chain 226, and then make single crochet in each stitch on the back bump only. Okay, so let me finish one, then I'll get back to you. Okay, there you go. I am done with my toe strap. I already weaved the ends. Okay, so let's go at the back part. Let's make a smooth edge like what we did in this one. Okay, so let's make single crochet. Okay, in this double crochet rows, we're going to make 2 single crochet in each row, starting in this one. Insert your hook here, grab a yarn, chain 1, then put single crochet, 2 double crochet in there. Then in this single crochet row, make 1 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then in this double crochet rows, make 2 single crochet in each rows. Okay, so let me finish this one, then I'll get back to you when I'm done. There you go, I'm at the end of my row, making my last single crochet. Okay, so do not chain 1, okay, just cut your yarn, and let's weave our end. Let me show you how I did mine. Okay. So instead of slip stitching, I'm going to show you how I'm doing my closing stitch. Okay. So insert your needle in these 2 loops. Okay. There. And then insert it back in the middle of this stitch and in the back. There. See? So we have a nice connection here. Okay. Then just weave it. Okay. Okay, so next let's insert our strap in these holes. There you go. Okay guys, so now we're going to make our shoulder strap like this one. Okay. We're going to sew this here and find your center stitch. Okay, mark that center stitch. Then we're going to sew this one here. Okay guys, to do this shoulder strap, let's start with slip knot and then chain 71. Six, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Okay. 72 chains. Okay, and then on the third chain from your hook, make 1 half double crochet, then make 1 half double crochet in each stitch across. Okay, just 1 half double crochet in each stitch until you reach the end. Okay, let me finish mine, then I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm done with my half double crochet row. So now we're going to make this flower like what we did in this edge. Okay, so let me show you again how to start. So turn your work, pull your yarn a little bit higher, twist your hook like that, hold this yarn, insert your hook here on the first stitch, then grab a yarn and make your double crochet. Okay, and then skip 2, make V-stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. There, then skip 2, V-stitch again, skip 2, 1 double crochet. Okay, and then now chain 3, 1 2 3, then make 2 treble crochet in this stitch. Okay, 2 treble crochet together, so yarn over twice, insert the hook here, there. Okay, so now skip 2, make 3 treble crochet together. 1 2, there. And then pull through all loops on your hook. Okay, now chain 3 again, 2 treble crochet here, there. Okay, skip 2, then 1 double crochet. Okay, so repeat that pattern around until you reach this end. Okay, and then I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay guys, I'm done with my row 2. So now for our row 3, chain 3, and then make a treble crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and then do not finish, make another 2 treble crochet together in this stitch. Okay, 1 2, there. So now pull through all loops on your hook, there, and then chain 1 to secure, then chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then complete our flower. So in this stitch, make 3 treble crochet together, 1 2 3. Okay, then pull through all loops on your hook. Okay, then chain 1 to secure and chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then another 3 treble crochet together in the same stitch. There. Pull through all loops. Okay, and then chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then make 2 treble crochet together in this stitch. Okay, do not finish yet. make another 2 treble crochet together in this last stitch. There. There. And now pull through all loops on your hook. Chain 1 to secure, then chain 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then repeat this one. Just repeat that pattern around, okay, until you reach the end. Okay. Let me get back to you when I'm done. Okay, guys, I'm nearly done. So now, chain 1 to secure, turn your work, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then slip stitch, and same stitch here, there, and then chain 3, make a single crochet here, chain 3, then we're going to make our cluster, this one. So double crochet, chain 4, then slip stitch. There, then double crochet. Okay, chain 1 for separation. Then repeat this pattern 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet. There we have 2, so now we need to make another 3. So chain 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch, and then double crochet, then chain 1, double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch, then double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, need to make another one plus 1. Okay, so double crochet, chain 4, slip stitch, then double crochet. There. Okay, so now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then single crochet in this chain space, then chain 3, slip stitch in this stitch, okay, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then slip stitch again in the same stitch. There you go. Then just repeat this until you reach this end. Okay, then we're done. So let me finish mine, then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, I'm done. I'm making my last slip stitch here, then chain 4, slip stitch. Okay, you may now cut your yarn and hide the tail. Okay, so after you hide it, you may now sew it on your dress like this. Okay, starting in this center stitch up to this point. Okay, there, like that. Then the other one here and here. Okay, so just sew the edges here, secure them, and the other two. Okay, let me finish mine, then I'll get back to you.
Watch part 4. Link below.